While our country has just started recovering from the deadly second wave of coronavirus pandemic, preparations are already in process for the expected third wave. 2 months after the country started reporting the cases of mucormycosis, that is black fungus, which is a severe post-COVID-19 complication, doctors now fear that avascular necrosis, also known as bone death, could be the next possible devastating post-COVID-19 condition. So stay with us till the end of this video because we are going to tell you everything that you need to know about this new condition. So first of all, let's understand what is avascular necrosis or bone death. Avascular necrosis is loss of bone tissues due to lack of blood supply. So initially, the loss of blood supply is temporary, causing tiny breaks in the bone which goes on to become permanent in later stages, eventually leading to bone death. So this disease can affect anybody, but adults between the age of 30 and 50 are more likely to get affected. It usually starts with a slight pain, but remember that every pain in the bone is not AVN. So now let's understand that what are the symptoms and causes of avascular necrosis or bone death. So as the cases were majorly reported in coronavirus recovered patients, studies claim that the use of steroids in treating coronavirus could be a potential cause of avascular necrosis in those individuals. So it usually occurs within 5 to 6 months after the steroid usage. So the major symptoms which have been identified are any type of discomfort in joints, hips, knee, foot or hand, or even early joint pain or increased in joint pain. Also experiencing difficulty to move or limited range of motion due to pain. So if you have survived coronavirus after the steroid therapy and you experience the above symptoms, don't take it lightly and visit the doctor to the earliest. While the best way to detect bone death is by an MRI. Now let's understand how avascular necrosis or bone death can be treated. So doctors say that this condition can be treated through medications, surgery or even physiotherapy if detected at an early stage. While if it is not treated at an early stage and the condition starts to deteriorate, joint pain replacement remains the important process of the treatment. However, the condition can worsen if delayed even more. In fact, the doctors have claimed that this condition might grow in the coming months and have declared it as a serious matter of concern. And for more information, do log into our websites and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.